Are you looking for a successful career with Canada's largest chain of transmission and driveline repair specialists?
I became a transmission builder because I enjoy the business. I plan on doing this for the rest of my life. What I enjoy about rebuilding transmissions is it's always a challenge. There's always something new. You've always got to learn new aspects of the transmission business, or 6-speed, 7-speed, 10-speed transmissions, CVT transmissions. It's always something new. So it's not the same job every day. It's not boring. You can always learn more stuff. When you get to fix a transmission that you haven't done before, fixing your first one or rebuilding your first one is always rewarding. Or when you have a vehicle that's giving you problems and you're having to fight with it for a while trying to figure out what's wrong, and then when you finally do figure it out, it's a good feeling.
Technological advances in the automotive industry are driving the demand for more specialized skills to deal with the newest technologies.
We do a full driveline service. More and more cars are all-wheel drive. It involves everything from the engine back. It'll include the transmission, it'll include transfer cases, drive shafts, differentials.
It's very rewarding working on different vehicles. A lot of the higher end vehicles, working on Mercedes or Aston Martins or some old classic cars. It's fun to work on different stuff like that. So Mr. Transmission offers technical training and support by being a member of ATRA, the Automatic Transmission Rebuilders Association. They offer training seminars, as well as there's a technical support representative through Mr. Transmission's head office named Joe, who's been doing it for many years.
Very strong support from our head office. They've made sure that all the shops get training. They have people on staff that'll come to the shop and help with new technology, new transmissions. CVT is a good example. They've done a big workshop on constantly variable transmissions.
At Mr. Transmission, we're the best in the industry, and we're looking for the best people to join our team.
Being a franchise owner through Mr. Transmission, I'm able to make a very good living, support my family, live in a nice house, drive nice vehicles, go on vacations, spend the weekends at home with my family, work hard during the week. So it's a good life.
Mr. Transmission is looking for the best and brightest technicians who think they have what it takes to understand and tackle the most complicated part of today's vehicles. Make the shift, and we will provide you with the best in-class training by industry-leading experts.
Hey, Mr. Transmission. Hey,